Shake Transitions presets will work with Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. You can download this pack from the link in the description. Let me show you how to use this preset pack. Open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Let's place video clips on the timeline. To apply preset, we will have to take an adjustment layer, place adjustment layer like that. You can take transition duration according to your need. If you want a fast transition, then keep 10 frames long, otherwise you can take 15 or 20 frames long adjustment layer. Go 5 frames back from middle, then place the adjustment layer like that. Go 10 frames forward and cut the adjustment layer. Delete unwanted part of the adjustment layer. Now let's import presets. Go to the Effects panel. Right-click. Import presets. Select the preset pack. Here preset pack is imported. Select any preset and apply it to the adjustment layer. That's it. Thanks for watching.